Welcome back to Auto Plus, the channel where innovation meets mobility and where the future of transportation unfolds before your eyes. Today, we step into a revolutionary shift in urban logistics with a vehicle that doesn't carry people, but carries the world of delivery into a completely new era, the Nuro R2 delivery robot car. In a time when online shopping, fast food delivery, and contactless services have become essential parts of daily life, Nuro has introduced a machine that challenges everything we know about vehicles, drivers, and road safety. This is not a car built for speed or luxury. Instead, it is a carefully engineered autonomous robot designed purely to transport goods efficiently, safely, and intelligently. Throughout this video, we will explore how Nuro R2 came into existence, why it matters, how it looks, how it performs, and whether it truly represents the future of delivery. From its origins to its cutting-edge technology, this story is not just about a robot on wheels, it is about how cities, businesses, and consumers are evolving in a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence and automation. The legacy of the Nuro R2 delivery robot car. The legacy of the Nuro R2 begins with a simple yet powerful idea: what if vehicles were built specifically for goods instead of humans? Nuro, founded by former Google engineers who worked on self-driving technology, set out to redefine transportation by eliminating the need for a human driver in last-mile delivery. Unlike traditional delivery vans or bikes, the R2 was created from scratch with autonomy at its core rather than being a modified existing car. Its predecessor, the Nuro R1, laid the groundwork, proving that small, unmanned delivery vehicles could safely navigate real streets. However, the R2 represents a major leap forward in capability, safety, and scalability. Over time, Nuro partnered with major companies like Walmart, Domino's, and Kroger to test real-world grocery and food deliveries, slowly building trust in autonomous systems. The R2's legacy is therefore not just technological but cultural, marking a shift in how society perceives robots in everyday life. Instead of fearing automation, many communities began seeing Nuro vehicles as helpers that reduce traffic congestion, lower carbon emissions, and create more efficient urban logistics. In many ways, the Nuro R2 stands as a symbol of a future where human drivers are not replaced entirely but are complemented by smart machines designed for repetitive, predictable tasks. Design and aesthetic. The design of the Nuro R2 is unlike any conventional car you have ever seen on the road. It is small, boxy, and intentionally minimalistic, with no driver's seat, no steering wheel, and no windows for passengers. Instead of looking aggressive or sporty, it appears friendly and futuristic, almost like a high-tech refrigerator on wheels. The smooth curved edges and clean white exterior give it a neutral and approachable personality, making it less intimidating to pedestrians and children. Large transparent compartments on the sides allow customers to see their groceries or food inside, reinforcing trust and transparency. LED lights on the front serve not only as headlights but also as communication signals to indicate when the robot is stopping, turning, or waiting. The absence of human-focused design elements such as mirrors or windshields makes it clear that this vehicle was never meant for personal travel. Internally, the R2 is divided into temperature-controlled storage zones, ensuring that hot food stays warm while cold items remain chilled. Every aspect of its aesthetic reflects functionality over style, yet it still manages to look sleek, modern, and technologically advanced. Rather than blending into traffic like a normal car, the Nuro R2 stands out as a clear representation of the future moving silently through city streets.